Okay, now you're having Aditya Chopra film.
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
sir.
How are you, sir?
We can feel his
Doing
presence.
all right.
We can-
He's a bit nervous.
I'm
He doesn't
sure.
do too many
I know.
interviews.
I'm sure that
It's
he
okay,
doesn't.
sir. We got you. We've been promoting for a few days now, and
I
think
love
we're
seeing
getting
Adi
into-
Chopra in this
Yeah,
zone.
when
Right.
think we're getting into a little bit of a groove, we got this.
Right.
And he's very warm, he's very kind,
can
very
predict
courteous,
his-
very intelligent, and we always have substantial, interesting discussions, and I think you will quite enjoy it.
Right. The question is that considering that he's considered one of the iconic directors that we have, and you guys are part of the film, and he's just totally he's known to be that romantic director, like ultimate romance and all those things. But suddenly he's just breaking all conventions and is just going befikre, like befikre in the most like no boundaries in any sense whatsoever. Indian cinema में मेरे ख्याल से बहुत टाइम से कभी देखा भी नहीं गया होगा इस तरीके का, इस किस्म की that intimacy कि that अगर जो आपके मतलब महसूस कर रहे हैं आप, तो आप उसको बयान भी कर रहे हैं, and you're actually doing it. That you're not actually looking at palatna, you're actually just checking out the ass actually and admitting that, which is and for a woman, I think that is really wonderful. So how was your experience when you got to know that you will be directed by Aditya Chopra, and that too in a film which is totally something else?
बताओ सर, क्या गया है आपको? हो क्या गया? Certainly आप ऐसे बेफिक्रे, be carefree, no
I've never seen
judgment,
Adi Chopra this zen.
no rules, no judgment. I think he's going into a shell. He's very nervous about
That's why
this public
that's why I think you should share your.
Sir, if he's there, he'll take care of us.
You want me to say?
Yeah.
You want me to say? Okay.
Right. Please, yeah,
It's his first time, man. He's not used to all.
yes.
So, acha, in case you guys are wondering, Adi sir is right here. That's actually who we were talking and referring to. लेकिन वो दिखते नहीं है ना, इसलिए।
सर मेरे पास टाइम बहुत लिमिटेड है,
अच्छा,
वो भी
time
वहाँ
कम
से-
है?
हाँ, तो लेट्स।
क्यों, क्या हुआ आपको? कुछ रोग हुआ है?
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम
अच्छा,
नहीं, वहाँ से
जिंदगी में नहीं, इस इंटरव्यू के लिए? अच्छा, मैंने कहा मेरे पास टाइम कम है, मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है? दिल में मुश्किल 2 तो नहीं बन रही यहाँ पे।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि इसमें मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर थोड़ा सा हम लोग ब्रिस्क पेस,
थोड़ा हल्का हाथ रखे सर, आपने डरा दिया मुझे कह के मेरे पास टाइम कम है यार। मैंने कहा क्या हो गया मेरे दोस्त को?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मेरे पास टाइम ही टाइम है, लेकिन ये है कि थोड़ा सा आप
बॉलीवुड मामा के पास टाइम
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप भावना को समझिए। आप प्लीज, अगर आप एक जवाब हमारा अगर पूरा मुकम्मल हो जाएगा, then we can proceed to the next
सर
one.
भावना कौन है?
भावना चलिए।
आपको डांस सिखाती थी ना भावना?
हाँ, actually.
अच्छा,
क्या डांस किया है मानी ना? शीज़ कमाल की डांस है।
yeah, I think she's
है ना?
both of you guys, even you have I think danced very well.
Well,
In fact,
we've
Sir,
been
मैंने
watching his
saw the
fabulous
making.
dances.
I think I'm a
since
very-
Band Baja. I think
I
I
think I'm
his
a
best. We
National
all
story.
loved him in Dum Dum.
Yeah.
That song in
दम
Band
दम
Baja.
दम मस्त है,
Love that.
Correct.
कैसी ये जस्त है। आप तो उर्दू में एक्सपर्ट है सर, जस्त क्या होता है?
Just है.
just
Just है. Just
दम
है.
दम दम मस्त है,
Right.
कैसी ये
ये
जस्त है।
Just है.
just
Is it like
I'm
just?
not totally sure.
तेरी धुन में दिल है बंजारा।
Yeah.
सर मैं बनूंगा
just
एक
as
दिन,
I
मैं
बनूंगा।
बनूंगा ट्रिपल थ्रेट। मुझे एक्टिंग आएगी, सिंगिंग भी आएगी और डांसिंग भी
Singing आप
आएगी।
इतना अच्छा करते हैं, आप तो हर वक्त आप रैपिंग
सब पता है, मेरी टीम जो है ना, मैं दिन
भर
भर गाने गाते रहता हूँ ऑन एनी पर्टिकुलर वर्क डे, और वो कान बंद करते हैं, हाथ जोड़ते हैं,
मुझसे
प्लीज
better गाते
कहते हैं आप ये टेलीविजन शोज में जाते हैं, आप ये गाना वाना गाते हैं, प्लीज खुदा के लिए मत गए। इट्स लाइक टॉर्चर। What they break my spirit, Faridun. I think I'm a great singer.
बिल्कुल fabulous actually.
But what I do, I think I'm a limited dancer though, Faridun.
नहीं, I think
Dancing की बात हुई,
I think you are
No, I need to work on it, and I know this. I know.
Basically, he wants us to just praise him.
No, not really. I genuinely think, and I told Weberly, man, I'm going to try like upping my dance game this time. But I think it's a function of the time you spend in rehearsals.
वानी जी, हम लोग क्वेश्चन से
Training.
बहुत दूर तक जा चुके हैं. What was your reaction when you came to know that you'll be directed by Aditya Chopra?
Of course, बहुत बड़ी बात है कि आदि saw the potential in me. Actually, मुझे शुद्धे सी कि सक्सेस पार्टी के अगले दिन he had called me and he said कि आप रुकिए, आप में बहुत potential है, I want to give you a good project. कौन सा project है? He wasn't sure of back then because he wasn't even done writing the script and all. So he just said you wait for the right project and you know you do your auditions and workshops with Shanu. I'll let you know whenever something really good comes from YRF, from when I think of a good project for you. Otherwise, anyways, you're most welcome. आप बाहर काम ले सकती है कोई ऐसे. There's no conditions that have been put. I waited. I did my workshops, and right before he told me that he's taking me on for his movie, we were already doing workshops, me and Adi. So that ice had broken. I was very comfortable, and he just one fine day just said, "Arey, haan, by the way, I'm making this movie and you're in it." So it was very like it didn't really sink in.
Correct.
वो feeling नहीं आई थी कि वो है, and I knew that Ranveer Singh is in the movie because I read Dharam Ka Paara. I was like, oh God, I can completely visualize Ranveer Singh.
पहले शॉट में गैस कर लिया तूने?
Like if he said, guess who's playing Dharam? I'm like Ranveer Singh.
अच्छा?
I said, and yeah.
Immediately.
He thought I wouldn't be able to guess or whatever. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लगा, but I guessed him. Yeah.
First guess.
First go. Yeah, you can ask Adi, है ना?
सही बोल रही है?
Right.
चलो.
No, and primarily my question was also that you're doing like a very unconventional movie, and there's a lot of physical intimacy involved. Maybe something.
This looks like an unconventional movie.
I think so. Doesn't it?
No, I was asking. I'm sorry.
In terms of because
Yeah.
there were so many conjectures whether it will be passed through censors in the first place or not, considering that even James Bond can't kiss anymore. So in that context, you're having like more than 20 kisses and all those things. So
James Bond can't kiss anymore?
yeah,
मुझे नहीं बनना James Bond.
it was.
मैं इतने अरसे से सोच रहा हूँ मैं बनूंगा
Right.
मैं करूँगा James
बिल्कुल.
Bond.
Primarily my question was
Sean
when you
Connery
came to know
और
that
Pierce Brosnan के
there's
बाद.
a lot of physical intimacy involved. So what was your reaction like?
I'm very happy that the censors they didn't have a preconceived notion कि and they weren't like that impressionable. They saw the movie for what it is and
क्या बात है?
उन्होंने भी कुछ सोच समझ के ही UA certificate दिया होगा. So I think which people will also discover eventually when they watch the film.
Once they watch.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट जब किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप देखें ना तो फिर वो ऐसे नहीं लगता आपको तो oh my god किस है it feels like
Yeah.
very warm full of love.
Right.
दिखाऊं मैं आपको? डेमो करके
आप चाहते हैं आप ऑफ कैमरा करना चाहते हैं अरे वो भाग गए अरे
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
भागो मत
आदि सर नाराज हो गए
नो रूल्स नो
इतना
बाउंड्रीज
बेफिक्र मैं नहीं हूँ
नो रूल्स नो बाउंड्रीज नो जजमेंट
you want him to do this but off camera
I want him to do this.
of course you're waiting this was your dream
Like you-
you're a man crushing on him
Man crushing.
आई एम मैन क्रशिंग ऑन हिम
ऐसा.
you've never heard him sing have you
ऐसा.
just 2 lines just now
Okay.
if you hear him sing you'll also have a crush on him